Hook. If your shorts are stuck at a few hundred views, watch this before you upload the next one. I am going to show you a simple 3-step AI-powered workflow that helps your videos hook viewers in the first seconds, keep them watching until the end, and send the right signals to the YouTube algorithm so you get a real chance to go viral. Value. Step 1 is hook testing with AI. Most shorts die in the first 2 seconds because the opening line is boring. Take your idea and ask an AI tool to generate 10 different hook variations. For example, make these hooks punchy, emotional, and curiosity-driven. Read them out loud and pick the one that makes you want to keep listening. You can even paste top-performing hooks from other creators in your niche and ask the AI to model the same structure but with your topic. Step 2 is pacing and structure. Paste your rough script into AI and ask it to optimize for retention in a 32 40-second short. It will usually cut fluff, move the strongest line to the beginning, and suggest where to add micro pauses or pattern breaks. You can also ask it to add one strong line near the end that rewards people for watching until the last second. This tiny change often increases average view duration a lot. Step 3 is packaging. Your title and caption still matter. Ask AI to create 5 keyword-rich but natural titles that include the main promise, like grow on YouTube with no subscribers, or simple AI hack for viral shorts. Use similar language in your description and add a clear call to action. For example, save this so you don't forget to use this framework on your next short. CTA. If you want a copy-paste prompt that I personally use to plan my shorts with AI and test hooks before recording, comment shorts below and we'll share it so you can plug it into your own AI assistant and start experimenting today.